Hello guys, so today we're gonna play DOS. Yeah, DOS. With me and my friend Josh. Say hello, Josh.
What's up, guys?
Yeah. So, you have to. Yeah, it's fine. So we're gonna make it to the end. You know, we little but I still think we can make this game. I know it's going to jump scares or something, but I still. Come on, Josh. Right here, come follow me. Where's the two? Isn't there two friends? Oh yeah. Come here. Now. Yeah, by this one. Follow me.
Yeah.
Oh no. Main. Come here. Bro, why don't I go in a private server and I can't even move? Oh no, I can. Come here.
Ani.
Where? Oh yeah. Come in. I'm in. But you are in.
No, I am in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Start.
Yeah, press that. Press X.
Start.
We in, guys. Yeah, this game is scary.
I hope I'm not gonna get nightmares tonight.
Stop being scared for the nightmares. I didn't even get a nightmare tonight. That's you. That's you with the other guys.
Michael Jackson.
Mine is still. Look here.
Yeah.
Don't go out. Don't be scared. I'm in.
Bro, we can't even jump.
Yeah, we can't. Come on. But we can call. We need a key. I didn't tell you about the game. We need a key for the door.
Okay.
Yeah. That scary stuff gonna chase us. If you didn't know the game. Oh no, bro. Where? Under there? No. Where is the stuff?
A key.
Yeah, key, bro. Did you get it, key? Yeah, what's this?
No, sponge.
Oh.
Sponge. You must also look in the doors.
Yeah, I am.